love these sunglasses, they're actually... Ugh. So, hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Kiwi Tea or whatever you want to call me, Carrie. So I haven't posted in a while, and I did like a month ago I filmed a slime tutorial. No, it's very bad, but still, please watch it, have fun, maybe don't try and do it, but I hope you enjoy the following video. I'll show you all the things you need, not that you'll probably want to do it because it's very bad, but still. And also, I have not posted, as I said, in a while, so you will notice my hair is gone, so I'll do a video in future on that. So I hope you enjoy my slime tutorial today. It's good to see you all, and let's continue with the tutorial. So let's get started. I've got a wee pakora pot and I'm filling it halfway up with glue of all sorts. So this is just PVA, and now I've got some glitter glue that is ancient, I've had for so long you wouldn't believe. So I'm just kind of mixing and eyeballing because, you know, I don't know, I'm not very good at following recipes. Then I got another colour, and this is a nasty colour, but it hadn't mixed properly, so it was kind of like clear glue, so I was just using it to kind of fill the pot up more. Then I just mixed it all together till it created this weird kind of nastiness, but it's fine, honestly. That's it all mixed up now, so now we are going to like get a pencil and draw where the glue stops. Then I'm adding the same amount of water that I added of glue so that they're even. Now I want it to be really odd and try to add some ink to it because, you know, I just thought that was a fantastic idea. As you can tell, it wasn't. It was very messy. And when I tried to mix it, I realised I added way too much. So yes, this is an absolute shambles. I ended up needing to actually pour some of this away and into this wee bowl. Then I mixed it all together until it created this really nice consistency. And yeah, it was fine. It actually looked okay once I, you know, took away some of that liquid. So now it's just kind of gooey. Then I got hot water and borax in powder form, and I dissolved it into it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a totsy wee drop at a time, because this bit's kind of tricky, because if you add too much it doesn't work. If you add too little it doesn't work, so it's better to add, like, as you can see it's starting to form weird wee, it looks weird right now, but eventually it'll start to come together. As you can see here, it's really lumpy, so I'll show you how to get rid of that in a minute. It's starting to become sort of moldable. So now I make an absolute mess just because. Yeah, I thought it would be a good idea to add more. It just went super lumpy, but who cares? And I'm putting it all on the table I'm making a mess. Now I'm just gonna kind of knead it on the table. This is not very good tutorial because, you know, I mean, oh man, look at that, that's just not nice. I can't do anything without making mess, so maybe follow a professional. This is a how not to make slime video, so learn from my mistakes. Oh my, that is, oh. So I just kept kneading it and trying to make it better, and yeah, I don't know if it really worked, but still, it's fine, it's fine. It's so bad. Oh man, look at my table. Yeah, I've still got those stains on my table. Well, let's just not talk about this, okay? Eventually I got it to this nice stage. I think it's nice. I don't know what to call this, but still, I would call it slime. So, kind of slime. It's okay. This is what I wanted. At least something that wasn't just nothing. It looks like slime. Okay, give me that, please. So since I said it's crunchy slime, we're gonna get straws and we're gonna cut them up and put them in the slime. So cut them just like as I show you here. Yes, this is odd, but it's what Karina Garcia says, so we're gonna follow it. And yeah, I apologise for this full tutorial. The quality's bad, the voiceover's bad, you know, the slime is bad, but still. Now I'm just gonna pop it over it and oh, you can see all the lumps. Okay, and try and mix it in. I did not want to add the like sound on top of it of what the noise the slime was making, because it was some really cringy ASMR and I really didn't want to do that. It was so like it made me cringe inside, the sound, so we're just gonna miss that out. If you make this slime, which you probably 95% won't, you will experience that ASMR, so yes. So that's our slime done, guys. That's the tutorial. You've made it through it. Well done. Thanks for watching, everyone. I'll see you next time. Bye!